Hello children, I am Shruti Mishra and today I have taken topic types of sentence from English grammar. Here you just see that today's topic is sentence. First we should know what is sentence. Sentence, whatever we or others say, that is sentence. Its synonyms might be narration, speech, statement, जिसको आप हिंदी में कथन बोलते हैं, that is sentence. It is depend that which type of sentence you are using in your expressing your views, that is other thing. But sentence means what? Sentence is a group of words mostly which we use when we are talking. Sentence. As I said, I am going to Lucknow. Okay? I am going to see the movie. Why are you sitting here alone? How beautiful is the rain? Finish your work. These all are statements, sentences which I have used. Mostly we talk in this way. So, these sentences which I have used here in front of you, we are going to categorize them. And just to categorize it, we will talk about the sentence type. कि सेंटेंस कितने टाइप का होता है, कितने प्रकार का होता है, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो. सेंटेंस तो वही है कि जो कुछ भी हम बोल रहे हैं, चाहे वो बोलने में हम बिल्कुल डिक्लेरेटिव मैनर यूज कर रहे हैं, दैट वी हैव सेड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली, और वी आर मेकिंग एनी क्वेरी, वी आर आस्किंग, or we are giving order to someone, or we are expressing our sudden feeling, or we are cursing or wishing to someone. That is statement. Okay. Now sentence is of 5 types. You see, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and objective sentence. Okay. So see, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence also called declarative sentence. Declarative is where we are declaring. इसको हम बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं. I am going. He goes to school daily. He comes regularly. What we are saying? Straight forwardly we are speaking. He will not go to Banaras. He will submit his copy. Whatever. मीन्स जो सेंटेंस हम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली सीधा साधा उसको रख देते हैं, देयर इज डिक्लेरेशन, देयर इज द सेंटेंस विच वी हैड सेड विद द फुल डिटर्मिनेशन. हमने स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली उस सेंटेंस को कह दिया, दैट इज डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, दैट इज असर्टिव सेंटेंस. जिस सेंटेंस को हम एकदम सीधे सीधे बात कह देते हैं. अब उस सीधे सीधे बात को कहने में sometimes our sentence, our declaration might be in positive way and might be in negative way. In positive way, positive and means here might be affirmative way. Assertive sentence is of 2 types, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, affirmative को ही हम positive भी बोलते हैं. Affirmative को ही हम positive बोलते हैं. Positive, he goes to school, he will go to Delhi. Okay, where is the positive response, positive declaration? I will do this. There is a positive declaration, there is a positive response which we are making in our sentence. That is positive sentence. Here you can write, he goes to temple daily. He goes to temple daily. He declared this straightforwardly that he goes to temple daily without making any gap or anything else. इस सेंटेंस में बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली उसने कह दिया कि वो डेली मंदिर जाता है. ओके, बट इफ वी आर सेइंग ही डिड नॉट गो टू दिल्ली, सपोज आई से दिल्ली, he did not go to Delhi, means in this declaration, in this sentence I am using the word again and again, declaration. Declaration का मतलब है जिसको हम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली जिसको हम डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं, बता देते हैं. In this declarative sentence, in this declaration, our sense is quite negative. हमारा sense negative है. He did not go to Delhi. I mean to say in a very short way कि assertive sentence is also in assertive sentence there will be the sentence which will be kept in a declarative manner, where sentence will be kept with a full determination. पूरे इसे कहते हैं डिक्लेरेटिव का मतलब घोषणा करने के साथ स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सीधे सीधे कह देना. अब वो डिक्लेरेशन माइट बी इन पॉजिटिव मैनर, इन नेगेटिव मैनर. ही गोज टू स्कूल, दिस इज इन पॉजिटिव वे, पॉजिटिव मैनर, एंड ही डज नॉट गो टू स्कूल, दिस इज इन नेगेटिव मैनर, नेगेटिव. ओके, assertive sentence where will be sentence kept in declarative manner, हाँ सेंटेंस को सीधे सीधे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रख दिया जाता है. एंड assertive sentence is of two types, affirmative और जिसको आप पॉजिटिव भी बोल सकते हो, एंड नेगेटिव. affirmative and negative. affirmative there will be the positive response in the declaration, and in negative there will be negative response in declaration. Okay, this is assertive sentence. Okay, now just see interrogative sentence. Interrogative means query, asking. This one thing which I have missed, in affirmative sentence you will definitely put the full stop in the last of the sentence. Sentence के last में full stop definitely you have to put. बिना full stop के आपका sentence गलत माना जाएगा. Mostly children forget to put their full stop. They take punctuation lightly. This is very very wrong. ये बहुत गलत है. After assertive sentence you have to definitely put the full stop. Okay. Now in interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence there will be the verb of asking. There will be a query. वहाँ एक question होगा interrogative sentence में. और ये interrogative sentence this will be also kept in two ways. We can't say that interrogative sentence is of two types. Interrogative sentence का वो type नहीं है जो मैं अब बताने जा रही हूँ. Interrogative sentence is kept in two ways. How? First one way is this, that interrogative sentence will be start with the helping verb. With the helping verb, and other it will start with the WH word, means interrogative word. WH word means what, okay, when, how, where, why. These all are the interrogative words, isn't it? ये जो आपके हैं, ये जो WH वाले वर्ड हैं, ये सब these all are called interrogative word. तो interrogative sentence will be kept in two manners, in two ways. One way it will be started with the helping word, and other way it will be started with the interrogative word. Let us see the example. Sentence which will be started with the helping word. Are you sitting here alone? Are you sitting here alone? Here you can say that this interrogative sentence has been started with the helping verb. This are is the helping verb of present continuous tense. Present continuous का ये interrogative sentence है, is started with the helping verb. And here, if I had put over here why, suppose I didn't write any other sentence, I put here only why. Here in why, this is WH word or interrogative word. I had put over here. Now you can see, why are you sitting here alone? तुम यहाँ अकेले क्यों बैठे हो? Okay, so you have seen that here this one interrogative sentence is kept in two ways. First way which has been started with the helping word, and second way which has been started with the interrogative word or WH word. So in this way, interrogative word might be presented in two ways, starting with the helping word and starting with the WH word. And how you will recognize, how you will find out that is it interrogative or not interrogative? This is must, that after interrogative, don't put over there interrogative mark. Children also forget to put over there interrogative mark after interrogative sentence. This is also very wrong. Don't forget this. It is must that you have to put their interrogative mark after completing the interrogative sentence, whether the sentence has been started from the helping word or WH word. Okay, this was the interrogative word. Now we will discuss about the next type of sentence, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? You just see. In imperative sentence, we will see advice, order, request. Okay. Imperative sentence. Imperate means to give command. Where will be advice, order and request? That sentence is imperative sentence. And how you will recognize this? कैसे आप इसे पहचानोगे? जो easiest way है imperative sentence को पहचानने का. As we have read in interrogative sentence has been started either from helping word or from WH word, interrogative word. ये पहचान थी interrogative sentence में. Imperative sentence में क्या पहचान? In interrogative sentence, you will get the sentence has been started with the main verb, and you will not get the subject in the sentence. What I said? In imperative sentence, you will get the sentence which will be started with the main verb, and subject you will not get. Here you will not see the structure of a proper sentence as you have read in previous classes, subject and predicate. Here you will not see subject and predicate. ऐसा कुछ इसमें नहीं होता है imperative sentence में. इसकी सीधी पहचान ये होती है that if this sentence will be started with the first form of the verb. Imperative sentence verb की first form से शुरू होता है. This is sure. And here I had said advice, order or request will be there. Definitely here we are giving advice to you, we are giving order to you, we are making request to you. To you in the sense towards someone. कि हम किसी को order दे रहे हैं, किसी से request कर रहे हैं, किसी को advice दे रहे हैं. तो हम जिसको order दे रहे हैं, we are making this response that you do this and all that. वहाँ पे that you word will be hidden, but it will not be kept here exactly. You यहाँ पे नहीं रखा रहेगा, you वहाँ पे छिपा होगा. Now see this example. Go there. What is it? Sentence is complete. Go there. वहाँ जाओ. Come here. यहाँ. In these sentences, go there, come here. You have not seen the subject you or any. कोई subject आपको मिला, so you have not seen the subject. Here, next example. Finish your meal. You finish your meal is the sense of this sentence. You finish your meal is the sense of this sentence. But this you is hidden in this sentence. Okay? So now see this in a very short way. Imperative sentence will be started with the first form of the verb. ये इसकी बहुत easy for the small children. छोटे classes में भी बच्चों को पहचान के लिए यही बता दिया जाता है. If you get any sentence which has been started with the first form of the verb, exactly that is imperative sentence. ये तो इसकी सीधी देख के पहचान है. This is imperative sentence. But as for the 9th and 10th standard children or grown-up children, they are able to understand the sense of advice, sense of order, sense of request. आप समझ सकते हो कि यहाँ पर ये सेंस होना चाहिए, ना कि कोई क्वेरी हो, ना कोई डिक्लेरेशन हो. There should not be query or declaration of anything else, but also there should be advice, order, request. यहाँ पर request, order और advice जैसा response होना चाहिए. So this was the imperative sentence. Now just come to exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory is a word which has been made from exclamation. Exclamation means क्या होता है? Exclamation में क्या होता है? There will be the sudden feeling. Sudden feeling will be there. Sudden feeling will be there. अचानक से निकलता है. And when that sudden feeling will come, sudden word also come out from our mouth. वो एक sudden word भी निकल जाता है हमसे. What is that? Oh, alas, bravo, है ना? Bravo, hurrah. These all are the words which are showing the sudden feeling. Suppose we have fallen down suddenly. अचानक पैर स्लिप कर गया. Ouch. What is ouch? Ouch का कोई मतलब नहीं है. Ouch is a word which shows our sudden feeling. अचानक से हमारा पैर स्लिप किया और एक सडन फीलिंग ouch. Suppose we have got any loss. Alas, I have ruined. बड़े दुख की बात है कि मैं बर्बाद हो गया. Alas की कोई एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग नहीं है. Alas is a word which shows our sudden feeling, sudden emotion. तो इस सेंटेंस में एक्सक्लेमेटरी में alas I have ruined. Here we have got the sudden feeling. One more example. How beautiful is the rain? This is also sudden feeling. How beautiful is the rain? अचानक बहुत अच्छी बारिश खूबसूरत हो रही है. उसको देख करके कितना अच्छा लगेगा गर्मी के सीजन में. That if you got the very fine and very beautiful rain, बहुत खूबसूरत बारिश हो रही है. And all of a sudden the sentence will definitely come out from your mouth. And what a beautiful rain. How beautiful is the rain? So how beautiful is the rain and alas I have ruined. These two, both the sentences are coming suddenly in our mouth, in our mind. But here, the structure of the sentence, these two sentences, is looking quite different to each other. Now we will discuss about it. Here in this sentence, we have got the sudden feeling word, and here we have not got the sudden feeling word. Here this sentence has been started with the interrogatory word. तो इसको discuss करते हैं. Sudden feeling word should be there. Sudden feeling word होना चाहिए. And after sudden feeling word, after exclamatory word, we will put exclamatory sign over there, and after here you will put full stop. Definitely. यहाँ पर इस sudden feeling के बाद और sudden feeling वाले word exclamatory word के बाद definitely you just put over here exclamatory sign, and after completing the sentence you will definitely put here full stop. After this sentence will be kept in a positive way, in the declarative way. बहुत सीधे सीधे रख देना है, उसको घुमाना फिराना नहीं. And here you can see how beautiful is the rain. Here this sentence is not looking in a proper way in the sense subject or predicate part में. Here you can get I have ruined. I here subject, here you can say from a subject or predicate. But here in this sentence you have not got the subject or predicate form. Subject predicate form आपको यहाँ पे नहीं मिला. So here you have in this sentence you have not got the exclamatory word. That's why in the last you will put here exclamatory sign. Don't forget the children over here that exclamatory sentence might be also kept in two ways. That sentence will be started with the exclamatory word, and after exclamatory word you will put exclamatory sign, and after the sentence will be kept in subject predicate form in a very positive, assertive, whatever you say, in the declarative manner. Sentence को सीधा सीधा आपको रख देना है, then you just put over here full stop. In the other way, दूसरी तरीका है, that will be also showing that is also showing your sudden feeling, but sentence will not be kept as in the systematic way. Systematic way I am using word systematic. Why? Because your subject and predicate form is not appearing over there, not kept over here. Sentence how beautiful is the day, and here in this sentence there is not exclamatory word. That's why you will keep over here. You will keep your exclamatory sign over here in the last part. ये नहीं भूलना है. इसमें exclamatory में if you have got exclamatory word, then at that point you will put exclamatory, then here full stop, and if there is not exclamatory word, you will put exclamatory sign in the last. This is exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now come to optative sentence. Optative. What is optative? Optative means where we are or anyone is wishing or cursing. Mostly children confuse the difference between exclamatory and optative. Exclamatory and optative. Exclamatory और optative में mostly बच्चे confuse कर जाते हैं. You make it very sure. These 3 points might be clear. Assertive, interrogative and imperative. सीधा सीधा है. Declaration होगा, interrogative होगा, question will be asked, imperative advice order और request होगा, in exclamatory, sudden feeling will be there, and in optative, wishing or cursing. Very simple. There will be exclamatory word. आप यहीं से याद कर सकते हैं. Exclamatory word you will get in exclamatory sentence. But here I had given the other example also. How beautiful is the rain? In that sentence there is not any exclamatory word. That's why you remember one thing, that there will be sudden feeling. केवल ये ध्यान में रखना है कि exclamatory sentence में sudden feeling होती है. That's all. And nothing else. Exclamatory means bravo. You played well. What sentence? You see? Bravo. You played well. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा तुमने खेला. This is also exclamatory word. Hurrah. We won the match. This word also showing a celebration, a great joy and delight and happiness in our life. Hurrah. Bravo. Shabash. These two exclamatory words are also kept over here. So this is also sudden feeling. Again and again I am making that difference between exclamatory and optative children. Exclamatory, sudden feeling, and optative, wishing or cursing. So let us see how wishing and cursing. In optative sentence, wishing or cursing means there someone will make a wish for us, someone will bless us, and someone will curse us. या तो कोई हमें दुआ दे रहा होता है, या कोई किसी को दुआ दे रहा होता है, या उसे बददुआ दे रहा होता है. ठीक है? And this sentence start with may. Okay? Now let's see how making wishes. May God bless you. May God bless you. And here exclamatory also. May God bless you. Okay? Suppose anyone is making curse. May you go to hell. May is also the model. May एक model है. Model which will be kept as the helping verbs. May I come in? You may come. Okay? Here may is model, and it is kept as in the helping verb form. So don't take these two sentences that the sentence has been started with the helping verb. That's why you made here question mark. बच्चे अक्सर कंफ्यूज कर जाते हैं, इसे helping verb समझ करके question mark लगा देते हैं. This is wrong. May God bless you. भगवान तुम्हारी रक्षा करें, भगवान तुम्हें आशीर्वाद दें. May you go to hell. तुम भाड़ में जाओ, तुम नरक में जाओ. ऐसे कहते हैं ना, भाड़ में जाओ, तुम्हारा बुरा हो. What we are making over here? There is a cursing. Okay. So in this sentence, may God bless you, there is wishes and there is curses. In optative sentence, you will get wishing or cursing. So, dear children, you make very sure the difference between exclamatory and optative. Again and again I am saying. Why? Because exclamatory sentence and optative sentence, mostly it creates confusion in the children's mind. Of exclamatory sentence, there will be sudden feeling, and optative sentence, there will be wishing and cursing, nothing else. See the difference. Now, at a glance, again I am doing all the types of the sentence. Sentence, as I have told you in starting, that sentence, statement, speech means whatever we or others say. हम लोग जो कुछ भी अपने एपिसोड में during this lecture, whatever sentences I am using, what are these? These are sentences used by me. ये sentence है. Sometimes I am using interrogative sentence, sometimes I am declarative manner, sometimes in imperative. If I am asking to someone, there will be also the imperative sense. तो sentence वही है जो हम मुझसे बोल रहे होते हैं. This sentence is of 5 types. Assertive sentence, it is also पॉइंट, किसी चीज को बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली कह दिया जाता है। आई एम गोइंग टू लखनऊ। He goes to school. He has submitted his assignments. ठीक है? Assertive sentence is of two types. इसको आप पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव कहते हो, पॉजिटिव को अफर्मेटिव भी कहते हैं। पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस where will be the positive sense, I am going, negative, they did not go to school. I am going, positive, I am not going, negative. This is assertive sentence. In interrogative sentence, there will be the question. Someone will make a query, कोई question put up करेगा, and how it will be kept in two ways. Interrogative sentence will be kept in two ways. Type नहीं है, केवल रखने का तरीका है कि that one way the sentence will be started with the helping verb, and other way the sentence will be started with the interrogative verb. And after interrogative sentence, definitely you have to put the question mark. Otherwise, your sentence might less your marks. Okay? In imperative, there will be advice, order, and request. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me some food to eat. Please, वैसे भी request को show कर रहा है. Bring a glass of water. Order को show कर रहा है. है ना? Respect your parents, respect your elders. ये advice को show कर रहा है. Respect your elders. Pay attention towards your studies. So there is the command, there is the order, advice, and request in imperative sentence. In exclamatory sentence, you will get the sudden feeling. Definitely, there will be the sudden feeling. Sometimes you will get exclamatory word, and sometimes if you will not get exclamatory word, then there will be the sudden feeling. This is very sure. Exclamatory sentence की ये पहचान है कि उसमें sudden feeling होती है. Here you are seeing these examples. I am going, I did not go to school, I am doing your work, and whatever sentences I had used. है ना? There is not any sudden feeling sentence. यहाँ पे कोई sudden feeling नहीं है. यहाँ बिल्कुल एकदम straight forward sentence, चाहे वो straight forward क्वेश्चन के वे में क्वेश्चन पुट अप करने में रखा गया हो या ऑर्डर देने में, अचानक से कोई सेंटेंस नहीं आता है. ओह, व्हाट यू हैव डन. ओह, अरे तुमने क्या किया. ये हम कब कहते हैं. ओह वर्ड शोज द सडन फीलिंग. ओह की कोई एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग, कोई डिक्शनरी मीनिंग नहीं होती है. ओह इज O is an exclamatory word, or O is a word which shows the sudden feeling. Ouch. Oh, alas. Okay? And bravo. You played well. Bravo, you played well. शाबाश, तुमने बहुत अच्छा खेला. तो ये शाबाशी आप दे रहे हो. What is this appraisal? ये शाबाशी देने में ये क्या है? This word comes out from our heart, from our inner soul. हमारे अंदर से आवाज आ रही है कि that it also comes from our mind, from our soul. हमारे अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, तो ये sudden feeling को शो करता हुआ है. That's why this is exclamatory sentence. And operative sentence. Operative sentence में क्या होता है? Operative sentence there will be wishing and cursing. Someone will make a wish और कर्स. या तो कोई किसी को विश करेगा या तो कोई किसी को कर्स करेगा. ओके? चाहे यहाँ पे विशेष होंगी, चाहे यहाँ पर कर्सेस होंगी. ठीक है? Now see these types once again. Keep this in your mind. Attentive